Hey there, road trippers. Miles here with Sierra, and we are kicking off a quick cruise right through downtown St. Louis.
That's right. We are heading northbound on 4th Street, starting at Gratiot Street and tracking all the way up past Convention Plaza, where the road turns into Broadway.
Since this is a pretty short sprint, do us a huge favor right off the jump. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow along so you never miss another open road.
We appreciate the support. Now, roll those windows down and let's ride to When the Name Gives Way by the Open Road Collective.
Smoke thins, brick face crack with the crooked grin. Glass throws light on the tired old wall. Somebody's name nearly gone from it all. This was the back line, this was the scene. Edge of a town with the river dream. Then the money moved and the buildings rose. Now every shadow knows what it owes when the name gives way. Under concrete grade, same wheels roll on, same ghost still stay. Stone keeps talking, still won't pray. Feel the whole town turning when the name gives way. Under the dome, they called out names, ink on the table, law and chains. Some came asking to own their breath, some left carrying a code to death. But the whisper can't cut through a marble room. Light a match in the century's gloom, and every footstep down that hall put one more crack in the old stone wall. Yeah. Hear that bass from a doorway lean, horns like smoke off a midnight scream. Church voice rising through the traffic heat, snare drum snapping on the 2 and 3. North where the brick gets dark and cold, iron eyes on the warehouse old. Then the lanes dip down where the daylight bends. One name breaks and another begins when the name gives way. On the concrete grade, same wheels roll on, same ghost still stay. Stone keeps talking, still won't pray. Feel the whole town turning when the name gives way. No map can say what the city remembers when the name gives way.
And as When the Name Gives Way brings us to our destination, you can see the highway infrastructure opening up ahead of us.
Spot on. We just crossed right past Convention Plaza as 4th Street blends seamlessly into North Broadway, bringing our brief St. Louis City cruise to a close.
Short, sweet, and a perfect little slice of downtown. Thank you so much for riding along with us today on Real Roads TV.
Keep your eyes on the road, take care out there, and we'll catch you on the next drive.